Everyone, it's me again. Right now I'm sitting on the Loom and Leaf, and next to me is the Saatva mattress. They're both by the Saatva brand. This is a company that's been around a very long time online, one of the first online mattress companies out there, and one of the top reviewed as well. So they get high marks across the board. I want to go over the differences between the two and why, in particular, the Loom and Leaf is one of my favorites. But first of all, the Loom and Leaf, this is an all foam mattress. So as you can tell, there's basically no motion transfer with this. Great. So if you have a partner that moves around a lot, this is the mattress to go with. And I'm not going to get too geeky with the specs right now, but they put a lot of quality foam into this. So this is a mattress that is going to last a very long time. It's great for heavier sleepers or light sleepers. Doesn't really matter. You're going to get great pressure relief, great support. And, I've recommended this mattress to my friends. They absolutely love it. So I have no qualms recommending the Loom and Leaf. Saatva is a great mattress for those looking for a very traditional feel. So this one is mostly spring. So as you can see, there's a lot of bounce to that one right there. There is a little bit of